Hare Krishna, this is Navneet and I welcome you to Vyasa Astro channel. Today we are going to cover a very critical topic. You see, whenever, at times we lend money or we give a bank guarantee, can it backfire? I've seen many consultations where people have, out of help, out of humanity, has given money to their relatives, to their friends, and eventually their friends and relatives have made them beggars for their own money. What are the yogas in the horoscope? And what you should be doing if you have these yogas and it's like, a red alert. So that's what I'm going to discuss. You see, a lot of people who have good lagna placement, whose Chandra is either weak or in sensitive places like 6, 8, and 12, or maybe afflicted by Rahu and Ketu, such people get inclined towards helping others without thinking of themselves. And all those viewers who are watching this video, you must go back and check, in your own horoscopes, that whenever you have helped someone, where was your moon transiting that particular day? Was it in the third house, sixth house, eighth house, or 12th house? Or it was in affliction with a malefic planet? Now, since you have helped someone, it's your nature to help, someone and not punish anyone easily. One thing I must tell you, that you should check one nakshatra. So, I mean, there can be many other yogas. I don't want to get into that debate. But this is one very prominent combination that I've seen in the charts of many people who have really suffered with their own money. Suppose I went to them and say, oh, please give me 10 lakh rupees or 5 lakh rupees. I will return you, after 3 months or 6 months. I'm in such a deadly need. You give it and they'll forget about your money for years and years. And then they will return you back, you know, by just giving 50,000, 1 lakh, small chunks. And you will realize as if the money is gone in a big chunk and has returned in very small portions, and it's scattered, it's gone, your wealth is gone. The nakshatra that gives you this setback. And when I say nakshatra, means you should have a planet in that particular nakshatra. Or when you were giving the money, one of your prominent planets were transiting in that particular nakshatra. And that the nakshatra is Mrigashira. Let me talk about Mrigashira nakshatra a little bit, and you can come to know about what I'm trying to tell you. Mrigashira nakshatra is a research-oriented nakshatra. Lot of research. It's a Mrig Trishna to know more and more, things in your life. But, when you research, the outcome of that research is that you are not going to uh, take any decision just like that. You are going to make your life risk-free. You do not take major risk in life if you have your Lagna Lord in Mrigasira, or maybe the 10th Lord or the 11th Lord is in the Mrigasira. Uh, you will be very conscious about your work. You will not take chances, especially if you've got Saturn in Mrigasira. You will keep exploring so many jobs and work and everything, but when it comes to changing your job, you're not going to change it easily. You will explore, you'll have knowledge of the market that you have this job, that job, but you're not going to change it. You're going to talk about various opportunities, but you may not accept those various opportunities. That's what happened with Saturn in Mrigasira. Like Venus in Mrigasira, I've seen people will be aware of all the financial investment, things going around in the market, but they will not get into any foolish investments or carried away investments in their life. They will not. They'll research, they'll understand all the pros and cons, but they would not invest in any Ponzi, investment schemes for sure. That's the reality. But on the same time, if your Lagna Lord, third Lord, sixth Lord, right, eighth Lord, 12th Lord, or in fact any planet from any houses in the Mrigashira, it's my humble request to you people that you will be made beggar for your own money. It's the nature telling you don't take risk. And when you take a bank guarantee, suppose your best friend's, he's there and he wants to buy a home or want to buy a car, and he has a problem in his financials or his CIBIL is not good, and he said, okay, I'll take your guarantee. I'll just, sign it for you. I know you are capable. Your intentions are right. You'll pay. So I'll take the guarantee. You know what? Probably the man was right, but there are chances that his circumstances would go that bad that he may not be able to pay, and eventually it's you who is paying it. Believe me or not. And I've seen this after almost, we've done research on more than 400 charts personally, talking to people where people have given me this complaint that, sir, I mean, we did a bank guarantee and now I'm paying the EMIs. I'm there who is part of that litigation. And I've seen people with multiple planets in Mrigashira. I've seen someone with sixth lord in Mrigashira. He's given money to his mother's brother, means Mamaji, uncle, right? So brother of his mother. And because it's the sixth house, which represents your Mamaji, which is your, brother of your mother, because it is third from your fourth house. And his Mamaji is not returning money. I've seen people having his Lagna Lord in the third house. So the relative of your father-in-law means your wife's father, and his relatives. Someone, they came close, they took money, and now they're not returning. Why? Because from your seventh house, the third house is the ninth. And the ninth is, we can also take it as, it's like father of your spouse. Right, ninth and the third and the fourth house, we consider both in the Navamsha as well as in the Lagna. So they have taken money and now they have made you beggars for your own money. And when you have planets in Mrigashira, that's where you'll find all these problems coming in your life. And it is, trust me, not just one chart. I've seen charts where probably, this cusp of this Mrigashira was in the 10th house. So you're given guarantee of your father. And father, did not pay money. You were the guarantor. He passed away and they put it on you. What a pity. Even that has been seen. With Mrigasira in the ninth, your bosses will say, okay, give me a guarantee for the car, or give me some guarantee, give me some money. And when boss is asking for the money, you can't say no. But the ninth house is also your guru, teacher, and mentors and bosses. So you have to clearly mention these people that, hey, please, this is my nakshatra. It's not your fault. Because if I sign your guarantee or if I give you money, that money will not be utilized the way you want to utilize it, and you'll not be able to return money. That's what I tell these people. So, Mrigasira nakshatra, and you know what? We are heading towards where Jupiter is going to be in Mrigasira very soon. I mean, the next transit is in the sign of Gemini, and we'll have Mrigasira there and Jupiter transiting in Mrigasira. Those, I would say, starting from March, April, right, until next May, June, right, 1 year, you got to be very conscious in giving guarantees and lending money to the people. Don't do it. Don't do it. The guarantees would fail, right, and you'll not be getting your money back. If you want to help someone without having this intention that, okay, I don't want my money back, take it. Then you are like perfect position. If you have planets in Mrigashira, give and forget it. Go ahead. Job well done. But if you have that intention, maybe I'm just giving him temporarily, I can get my money back. You got any planet in Mrigashira, any major transit happening in Mrigashira, please do not do it. And if you have faced similar problems, you can drop a message in the comment box. We'll love to see your experience. And I'll come up with another video. Till then, Hare Krishna. आप सबको बहुत बहुत प्यार. Thank you very much.